Hi guys, welcome to Rack Studio. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a video end card, and we are going to be creating a YouTube video end card using Placeit. First of all, open Placeit. The link of Placeit is in the description. After you open Placeit, click on Videos and then YouTube Videos. And then scroll down and then we should click on YouTube end cards, and it will show us YouTube end cards that is already created, and we can select any template that we like. If you just take the cursor to the template that you like, it will show us the preview of the template like this. It will just first load and then show the template. See, like this, and then select any template that you like. I'm taking this template. It will just take a minute to load, and now it's load. And if you want a background music, you can just keep it, or if you don't want, you can just remove it. And then now we are going to edit this template. First, I'm going to edit the background image. And I'm selecting this. In here, I'm keeping subscribe, and then in watch next, I'm going to be changing watch next to. I'm going to be adding create JPEG to PNG that I have already uploaded on YouTube. So I'm typing JPG to PNG. JPG to PNG, like this. We can edit the font of the text. I like this font, so I'm keeping this font. And then now I am changing this color. We can also change this color. Like we can change it to red. Or any other color that we like. Red is not that good here, so I'm changing the color to orange. If we just click the color, it will show us the preview. Now I have selected orange. Not too good. I think light blue would be good. Like this, we can put any color. I'm putting black itself. We can change the color of text in here, like we can change the color of watching, thanks for subscribing, and JPEG to PNG. I'm changing the color of thanks for what? Thanks for to. You can also change this, but this is nice, so I'm not changing it. If we click this, we can change the color. and now we should click wrong and then click update slide, and now it will update the slide. It will just take a minute to update the slide. Yeah, now it's prepared. And now if we click replay, see? That's all. Now to download it, first of all we have to play all the slides, and then it will again prepare all the slides. Now we can just download this. You can just download this with subscription or without subscription too. See, if you click this, you have to pay $10 and you will get no watermark and a high resolution, or you can put an annual or monthly pack, or else you can download it for free too. See, get the free watermark. If you click this, you can just download this for free. See, it has downloaded. Now we are in YouTube Studio, and I have merged the end card that we created within video, and I have published it in YouTube. Now I will show you how to add a video and your profile picture of YouTube channel in this video. First of all, go down here and click on this pencil-like icon, and now scroll to the right and come down, and then again click this. And now we can add an end card to this video, but first we should place this playhead where the end card starts. But if we place our playhead in here, the end card will start from here, so we will not be able to edit it. So at first we should move this to the end card starting, and then I'm selecting this, and then wrap my YouTube channel's profile picture in here and the video in here. We can also edit the length of the video. Just keep it here. In the video, I'm adding a specific video, like I'm adding how to create a JPEG to PNG. Yeah. And now we should click save. And now we have added an end card to our video. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.